Okay, pigeonhole principle. Let's look at some questions. The committee has New South Wales, Victoria, Queensland, South Australia and Tasmania people on it. How many do I need to pick to be sure that at least 2 are from the same state? So 2 minus 1 gives you 1. That's how we work out how much will be in each box. How much will be for each choice. So in each choice, now how many choices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 states. So our choices are 6 states. They either come from New South Wales, Victoria, Queensland, South Australia, Tasmania. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's actually 5 choices. Take that back. There's 5 choices. Okay, so there's 5 of them. So that means that we can have 1 in each of those, and then we add 1 more. Because when we add 1 more, they're going to be from Tasmania, South Australia. They're going to be from Queensland, Victoria, or New South Wales. So therefore, I can be certain that at least 2 of them would be from the same state. So you do, there's 5 choices times 1, which is 5, plus 1, which is 6. So I'd need to choose 6. So if you wanted at least 4 from the same state, so we'll do 5. 4 take away 1 gives you 3. That means if you pick 3 from every state and equally spread it, that would be 3 lots of 5, which is 15. And you need to choose 1 more, which is 17, to be certain that 4 of them come from the same state, because you'd put them in, they'd be from one of these states. You don't know which one, but you can be guaranteed they'd be from one of those states. Okay, so students have to choose 3 sports from 9. How many students do you need so that at least 2 of them have picked the same sport? Okay, so first of all, we have to work out how many choices we actually have here. So if you look at that, they're choosing 9 from 9. They're choosing 3 sports from 9. So that equals 84. Okay, so there's 84 different combinations of 3 sports. So that means you would have 84 choices. So it's like having 84 pigeonholes. So you've got 84 of the pigeonholes. Okay, so once you've got that, if you want at least 2, you want at least 2 of them to have the same sport, what your first step is to go 2 minus 1 is 1. You would have to have 1 in each pigeonhole. So that means you have 84 times 1, which is 84. And then all you need is 1 more than the 84, which is 85, to be certain that the next person will have 3 of the same sports as the other 84 beforehand, because you've got the whole 84 different combinations. So they're all different. So you choose 1 of each combination, and then you just pick 1 more person, and one of those persons will have the same as everybody else. So if you want them to have at least 3, well, the step is you go 3 minus 2. That means you choose 2 from each sport, so 2 from the 84. So 2 lots of 84, which is 168. You only then need to add 1 more and choose 169 people. And one of those people will have exactly the same 3 sports as one of the other 84 sports. But there's going to be 2 people with each of those, plus 1 more, which will guarantee at least 3 of them have picked the same 3 sport. But what if we had at least 8? So if we had at least 8, you take 1 away from 8, because that's the extra. You would need to do 7 lots of 84. So 7 lots of 84, which is 588. And then if you did 588 plus 1, you get 589. 589 would mean that you are sure that you would have at least 8 people that chose the same sport. Everyone else you'd have 7, but then one of the combinations will have 8 people, because you've chosen 7 of each combination of 84 plus one more person.